Whether it's a foam life jacket or an inflatable life jacket, at our strengths, you can customize the logo. I will introduce this new model to you today. This is our new model this year. We'll wear it with a model first. After wearing it, buckle up the front socket. Then what do you measure according to the obesity of the person? Then adjust this belt, adjust it, and pull the excess back. When you are on someone, have this feeling, okay? Just right. Then, this one. Its main feature is that it is very lightweight and the colors are very bright. And then what about here? You can also go directly through this transparent window. Go look at the gas cylinder inside. Is the device inside manual or automatic? Have the gas cylinders been used? Then after wearing it, if it is automatic, once it falls into the water, it will automatically inflate. How about automatic inflation? He has another function like this. If he pulls by hand, you can also pull it directly. Then let's try it inflate very quickly. In this case, it's the airbag of the life jacket. It can be separated from the coat and is very lightweight. Buoyancy reaches 150 N.